Good morning, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening. Yeah, any question before we have another 2 minutes to start officially? So unofficially, if you have any question.
So first of all, Jay Ganesh here from Bangalore.
Yeah.
First of all, my heartfelt appreciation for the clarity you have provided. Very scientifically researched and very easy to understand.
Yeah.
So I think simplicity is your hallmark, and I heartfelt appreciation.
Hey, unmute ಮಾಡೋದೇನೋ.
Greetings, sir. This is Palaniswamy.
Yeah, just 1 second. Rupa Sri, okay, yeah. Yeah, Palaniswamy, how are you?
Fine, sir. Hope
Yeah.
doing well.
Okay, very good. Any questions, Palaniswamy?
Sir, actually now suppose my trade is for next, suppose if I plan for June or September positions. So the time frame, is it 1 hour is okay, or I should increase the time frame to daily?
No, the time frame is always 1 hour only.
So for even for December expiry dates also.
Yeah, see, this is not for, this is for a trend following system, correct?
Okay.
So when market is showing long, okay, we sell put option. When the market is going short, we sell call option.
Okay.
And usually this is not suitable for long-term option because, for like now it may show long, maybe after 5 days it may reverse,
Okay.
So this will be maybe the maximum, you can use for like 2 months.
Reference trades.
Yeah, you can use this for reference rate, or you can use for 2 months option. 1 month, 2 month options you can do.
Okay.
Right? Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So I think now the time is 6:30. So we shall begin officially. Okay. Just few minutes of this introduction. Number one, the super trend strategy actually taught to me by one of my workshop participant only. Okay. And I did not take it seriously for some time. But after some time, I found that this is really working very well. And many people ask me, sir, why don't you give this free? Why don't you in YouTube? But sometimes, what happens when something is given free, it reaches too many people, the system may not work. Yeah. One basic request, please keep your mic off when you are not talking to me. I find that there are too many people mic is on. Okay. If you are talking to me, then you can on your mic. When you are not talking to me, make sure that it is off. Otherwise, your children shouting there, everything we can hear. Right. So then I tried and it seems to be working. Okay. But of course, any technical analysis, it bound to fail sometimes. But what is the fantastic thing I observed in this? When the stop loss is hit, the stop loss is not very big. But when the target is hit, the target is really very big. And uniformly, this technical analysis captures all the bigger moves. If you have done the back testing, I think many of you must be more good than me in doing the back testing the systems, okay? Because I'm not a computer guy. But you would realize that, if you try for last 2 year, 3 year, all the major trends, this has captured very, very well. But when the stop loss is hit, the stop loss is not very big. Maybe 100 point or 150 point. And I, honestly telling you, I don't follow this technical analysis for taking long or short in future, but I apply this for, as Mr. Palaniswamy mentioned, I apply this for my reference trades, and also I implement this in option selling. So if I see that the market is in the long, I go and sell put option. If market is short, I go and sell call option. So that is how I just buy. Okay. Yeah. Now open to questions.
Sir, Jay Ganesh from Bangalore.
Yes, Jay Ganesh.
Sir, in choppy situations, that is where it is showing green and then after immediately red and then green. I mean, how do you handle this?
But you say, because anyway, you are not going to implement through futures. Okay. You sell options far away places and you make some money, right?
No, sir, my point is where it, correct me if I'm wrong, where it turns green, I will be entering. It is exactly at that point I will be entering. And where it turns 3 red, the 3 red please come, I will be exiting.
1 second. There are too many people switch on the mic and they keep talking. We can hear all the noises from your house. Can you please make sure that your mic is off? Jay Ganesh, continue.
Sir, correct me if I'm wrong. Where it turns green, that is all the 3. When I say green, all the 3 lines, I will be entering at that point. And where it turns red, all the 3, I will be exiting. Now, if it happens practically on an alternative day basis, say 2 days, then is there any?
Usually you do the back testing. Okay. Usually it doesn't happen, 1 day, 2 day. It takes some time.
Sir, November 2021 to 1st November 2021 to 16th November 2021, there were a lot of flip-flops actually. I had not entered, sir, but I'm just sharing with you.
Okay. I agree with you. Okay. Number one, that's why I always say, to be successful in stock market, you need to have a hedge and edge.
Okay.
I am not a pure technical guy. So when you're looking at technical analysis, maybe you look at the other parameters also.
VIX and other things, okay.
Not VIX. Okay, VIX is not a criteria, but you see what is happening in the ground reality. For example, now you see Russian-Ukraine problem is going on.
Macro issues.
No, usually, what happens? Russia will say we are withdrawing troop. Then market shoots up. The next day, US say, no, they never withdraw the troop. They are lying. The market crashes. Okay. Now, next day, Russia says we are ready for a diplomatic solution. Market shoots up. Okay. And then, the next day, the diplomatic talk is not going to happen. Russia will have to withdraw the troops first. Then only we will come to the negotiation table. Market crashes. One can say one thing, the other one can say something else. This can bring the wallet. So you also, if you are smart enough, okay, you also look at the ground situation, look at the, a news flow, see, for example, budget is an event. Once budget is over.
Correct.
That event is over.
Correct, sir.
Right? But Ukraine problem is not like that.
Correct.
Russia can say something, US can say something, again Russia can say something, US can say something, So you also have to study that and accordingly you can do. Right? But anyway, some choppy market, if you don't want to enter, okay, what will happen after 2 or 3 choppy triggers?
Sessions.
3 green may show, then immediately the 3 red may show, immediately 3 green may show. 2 or 3 times the choppy signals will give. But if 3 or 4 choppy signals are given, then will always be usually followed by a bigger trend.
Okay.
So during the choppy period, you don't want to enter, then you will actually miss the bigger picture.
But you have to have the patience to hold.
Yeah, you say then 2021 there was some choppy, but you see after that, after the choppiness, you would have always seen, there's a bigger trend either upside or downside.
No, big side. Yeah, upside, sir. There was a upside.
So 2 or 3 choppy, even you lose 50 rupees, 100 rupees, the bigger trend you capture.
Sir, the other question you had answered, but I'm just reconfirming. You said that this we can use it for monthly or maximum for 2 months.
Correct. Yeah.
So not quarterly or annual, obviously not. And not weekly also.
Within a quarter, this signal will change, right? Few times.
But sir, you had taken trades in the weekly also in the demonstration that you had done. more as a reference trade, so to say, or a hedge, I would say, more like a hedge you have done it. So that is okay, sir. I mean, doing it.
Okay. You can do it weekly also.
Okay.
Yeah.
But not beyond 2 months.
Yes.
Sir, I'm Narendra here. What
Narendra
I have
Mishra?
seen, sir, in the indicator, you have shown 3 settings, but we are getting entry and exit on the single indicator, that is 7-3.
Yeah, Narendra Mishra, that is correct. What you say is correct. But there are some times, okay, 7-3 will show green, but 14-2 and 21-1 may not show. But most of the time, what you say is correct. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Not
Most
clear,
of the
sir,
time-
what he asked.
No. What he says, okay, sir, why are you using 7-3, 14-2, 21-1, 3 indicators? Why don't you use just only 7-3?
Tell him that, please.
Okay.
So when 7-3 shows green, automatically 14-2 and 21-1 will show green.
Understood. So we have to wait for 7-3 to also, I mean, understood.
Yeah,
It's a partial relationship.
but that is true most of the time. But there are very few cases where the 7-3 may show green, but the 14-2 and 21-1 may not show the green. So that's why, we have to combine all the 3. Okay.
This is work only for Nifty, sir.
Not necessarily. In fact, if you have seen the back testing, which I've given the data, okay, it works for Bank Nifty much better than Nifty.
Okay, sir. But the stock it won't work, it, no, sir? Only for index.
Also, okay, Saravanan, I back tested some stocks also, but some stocks it is not working well. Okay, but however, there is in the technical analysis, what you can do, you can only do long only, which means when the long signal comes, go long. When the short signal shows, don't go short. So that gives a much better return.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. But anyway, why you want to trade in stocks? Better trade in index. Better trade in Nifty or Bank Nifty.
That's correct.
Okay, right.
Sir,
Yes,
once,
Pranitami?
sir, once we get the first green, red, after going long, first we get one red.
No, you have to wait for 3 red to exit.
Totally. Suppose 1 or 2 reds are shown, then shall we try to reduce the positions and wait for 3 greens or?
Yeah, you can do that, or you can keep trailing stop loss.
Okay.
If you are in profit, you can keep trailing stop loss.
And number 2 question, sir. Suppose today the Bank Nifty market is around 38,000. While entering, if I enter some 1,000 points lower, so I'll get advantage if this is stop loss, no? This 1,000 points cushion I will have since we are selling. So it's 37,000 and another 36,500 like this, like you permit the selling, no? Like that you can also do.
Yes, correct. That's what I've shown you, right? In my live example, I've showed you when the technical indicator showed long, I sold 1,000 point below put option, right? So, we will have some kind of a buffer, because our idea is not to capture the full profit using the technical analysis. Our idea is to make some decent profit for our investment.
Okay, got it.
Right? Yeah, good. Any other question, Panichami? That's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, good. Radha Shyam Jina.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Yes.
Sir, actually my question is that after getting the long signal, what would be the better, synthetic long or selling of put option?
I will prefer put option.
If
Radhesham, cannot hear you.
Hello.
Yes, now I can hear you.
Yeah. After getting, if we choose for put option, then which one? At the money or?
Yeah, it all depends upon your risk profile. Okay. So if you are a slightly higher risk taker, you can go for at the money, nothing wrong. If you want to take a lower risk, you can go about 500,000 point below. So it depends upon your risk. Because I do large volume, so I cannot take high risk.
And that put options in monthly option or 2 monthly option, anything?
It can be anything. It can be weekly, it can be monthly, it can be 2 monthly. So whichever you want.
Then what kind of hedge we should do after taking the long position by selling put option? And
There
what
is
kind
no
of,
hedge you want to do. The only way to hedge is buy another put option far below. That is the only hedge you can do, right? If you want to hedge your life, the only one thing you can go and take life insurance, right? That is the only way you can hedge. Is there any other hedge you can do? No, right? The same way you are selling a put option, what is the hedge you can have? Just buy a far out of the money put option. Your margin will also be getting lowered. Okay.
And sir, one more question.
Yeah.
Actually, in this week, 15th of February, that Nifty shoot up 500 points. But up to evening, there is no clear indications on 2 green line come, but not third one is coming. But next morning, it clearly shown by indication. But at that time, market was too high than the point where is shown the buy option. So,
Radhesham, there are two things. Okay, one is value investing, other one is momentum investing. Okay, value investing means the people want to buy at the lowest price. Okay, momentum investing, they will buy only at the high price. Because the high price will go even higher. Bajaj Finance in 2013, it was 50 rupees. From 50 rupees, it went up to 100 rupees. People's side has doubled already. People don't want to buy. From 100, it went to 200. 4 times already. People don't want to buy. But from 200, it went to 400. From 400, it went to 800, 1600, 3200, 6400, 25,000. Now trading at 25,000 rupees. Okay. But on the other hand, if you look at Coal India. Coal India was trading around 230 rupees, giving 10% dividend yield. Because this is giving so much dividend, I bought it. I bought it for 250 rupees. Then it came to 200 rupees. Wow, 200 rupees, so value. Now I'm getting 9% dividend yield. I bought some more. Then it went to 180. Right? So, if the price has already gone up by 500 points, that is not the criteria if you want to follow the technical analysis. Technical analysis is a trend following system. If the trend is upside, it will show the long. If the trend is downside, it will show the long. Sometimes it will show the trend only after moving so much. But sometimes after moving so much also, it moves some more.
Correct.
Agree with me, Arnab?
Actually, sir, my question is that what you are telling, I am getting it. But my question is that according to this technical analysis, as per your rule, so in this week, what I am telling, which point is actually long position type that I want to know.
The 3 green is long, 3 red is short.
But 15th evening, that is not clearly shown. But next day morning, it further up. So we should
then you have to go long that time only.
Even after 100 point, 100 or 150 point up, then also according to this technical, we can go.
Yes, you have to go. There are so many times, even after 100 point, the market has shot up even more, right? Because you are saying that the 3rd green comes after 100 point gap up, so I don't want to do, then it's your choice. But the system is, you have to, that's a long.
Sir, I have one question.
Yes, Piyush Sethi.
Sir, I actually, after your first day session, I took the, trade in Bank Nifty because the 3rd green candle had come, sir. And after it was at 38,200 on, I think, 2 days back, sir. So now my doubt is, sir, now after 2 days, when you see the 15-minute candle or in the 30-minute candle, already the 3 red lines have come. But since we have taken a positional call, sir, so I am holding on. Like what I did, like what you said, instead of going for 38,000 synthetic future, I just shorted 37,000 put to be safe. Off monthly, sir, off monthly. So now what has happened is that in 15-minute chart and in 30-minute chart, it is already 3 red lines have come. And also today, first red line has come on the 1 hour chart also. So in such a case, since we know already it is range bound, should we exit or should we hold on, as you explained, that even if long MTM, it goes on for 15 days. It cannot be 15 days because I've taken 24th February position. So what should be the best strategy, sir? Because this point was not covered, although otherwise your video was very good. Like 15 and 30 minutes, it is already red now. So if it is already red. Yeah, and also it has fallen some from 38,200 when I took the position to 37,500 today. So should I have exited? But I was waiting for today's session, so I am holding on to the position. So I just want to advise.
Number one, as we discussed just now, this Russian-Ukraine problem, it's bringing a lot of uncertainty. So sometimes, markets can be choppy, right? So this system can bound to fail. Right. Now my question is that, when the market was at 38,200, it has shown long. You sold 37,000 put option.
Correct. To be safe. Yes.
Yeah, to be on the safe. That's always good. Always 1,000 point away you sell. Now you find that, 15-minute candle, it is already shown 3 red. So that means,
30-minute also.
Yeah, 30-minute also. So which means that in the shorter time, it has become bearish, but the longer term, it has become bullish.
Sideways. Sir, one red candle is coming 1 hour also today.
Yes, 1 hour also, right? So what you could have done, like
sir, in such case,
today you could have sold some call options.
To cover, sir. What
in 15-minute, 30-minute, So that's what I did. Today, what I did, 38,300 call option I sold at 50 rupees.
Sir.
It has gone to 0.
So what you are saying is in weekly, sir, or in monthly? Weekly,
Weekly. Just to cover original, because it's a 15 minutes is a shorter time frame, right?
Only intraday.
Yeah, that is for intraday, or what you can do, 37,000 put option you sold.
Yes, sir.
But the thing is now it looks like the system may fail. It's 50 shorter time frame market is coming down.
Yes.
What you can do, 2,000 point away you can go and sell one call option.
39,000 monthly.
Yes. Not 39,000, maybe 40,000.
40, even more higher.
Yeah, because the system is long now.
System is long.
If system is long, you sell a put option nearer, sell the call option
far
away.
So this is an adjustment like a reference trades.
This. So what happens, in this case, you are already holding a put option. When you're selling a call option, you don't have to pay margin money.
Instead, you are right, it will get covered. That is the best part, because I have done only 2 lots and I have done it 180 rupees. So I'm safe till actually 30, around how much, 36,800. So that way, So what you are saying is, but sir, should I wait till last day of the expiry, even if it is 24th February, and even if it doesn't stay long? So should I book the profit whenever I get, or should I wait?
That is up to you. You want see once you are in profit, either you can keep the trailing stop loss.
Correct.
Right. So, or you can just, so that is up to you. Whether you want to book the profit, you want to keep the trailing stop loss, or you want to exit when, it all depends how much faith you have in this system.
Sir, actually, if you see and back testing and all, you are right, because it is still one candle. And the way market is moving every day 500 points, so chances are it will again go back, maybe on
yes.
So
tomorrow, like today it fell 500 points, tomorrow it can shoot up 500 points.
And Nifty has gone only 17 points down. Only Bank Nifty has gone.
Correct.
Yeah. So that way, what you are saying is that, but sir, these kind of adjustments, so best is to do like this 40,000, 41 call, and it will be very less cost, some 2 rupees, 3 rupees type. So we can do that.
Yeah. Correct.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Sir, Aditya this side, sir.
Yes, Aditya.
Good evening, sir. Sir, your same strategy, let's suppose it is showing long. How about me selling deep in the money put option?
Yes, yes. Like instead of going long, you are selling in the money put option.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can do that.
Something giving me around 1,000-1,500 premium.
Yeah, you can
go
give.
deep in the money, and in case it something happens during expiry, it reverses, I can also roll over.
Yeah, but the thing is, like expiry is very long. Okay, by that time system may show short also, right?
Yes, sir.
So like entry or exit is based on the system.
Okay.
You want to sell in the money option, you can do that.
Can you
You just want to take your view that it's safer, right? Deep in the money as well.
No, see, safety or not, okay, that I'm not the one to tell you, that the system.
Okay.
System can give stop loss also sometimes.
Yes, sir.
So you must be ready to accept.
Okay, sir.
Correct.
Yes, sir. So probably on a continuous basis for a 6 months or 8 months term can give me a good profit.
Yeah, that's what this back testing shows. This back testing shows if you have been doing it continuously, sometimes choppy comes. Okay. In fact, as I told you, 2-3 times choppiness shows. Okay. Definitely the next one will be a big trending.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Sir, not clear actually. Sir, selling has to be at the money or far away, right, sir? I mean,
No, in the money also you can sell, right? Instead of going long in future, he's selling in the money put option.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Prem?
Yeah, hi, sir. Yeah, your video is very nice. Thanks. Two questions actually. The first question is, in your last video, you were mentioning that if it is in your favor and it keeps on going, do you move the put options or do you add new options, new entries?
I do add.
Oh, okay. So we just leave the old one and let it expire to zero.
Because once the market moves in our direction, the old one will be in a very good profit because we are doing in options, so the time value also decay.
Okay. Yeah,
but we can always keep a stop loss.
Yeah, but what I've seen is that it after that there is not much of gain. It is like very little after some time, right? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. In that case, you can exit also. Exit, you can move also.
Okay.
That's up to you. Your flexibility.
Okay. Second question is, what happens if we go in a monthly or a weekly, and if it reaches the month end, and still the trend is going? So should we stop and wait for the next signal, or should we come out
That's
and then
up to you. You can just do it in the next month.
Enter a new one?
Yeah, enter new one in the next month expiry.
Using the old signal.
Yeah, old signal. Yes, correct.
Okay. Okay. One last question. Any specific reason why this 21-14-7 was used?
Honestly telling you, I do not know, because this one has been taught to me by one of my workshop participants.
Oh, okay.
And whatever he has told me, and I'm just following it.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Yes. Thank you.
You gain there? Yugender, we cannot hear you.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Yes, now I can hear you.
Okay. I have few questions, sir. Maybe I'll start with the first one. In terms of this technical analysis, I mean, sir, I've started with you in the advisory last June, and we met this also. So on the technical analysis, I'm pretty new as well. In terms of this, the green bars, which you said, right, sir, the green arrows, is it work based on the previous trends, or it is projecting that market will go if this will be the direction? How these the green or red ones are working, sir?
No, all the technical analysis, okay, they are lag indicator. They are not lead indicators.
Okay.
So how the technical analysis know what will happen next few hours? But all the technical analysis knows only what has happened in the last few hours. So based on that only, it is giving the candles.
Okay.
So you must understand that all the technical analysis, forget about whatever technical, they are all lag indicator. They are not lead indicator.
Okay.
Right. Second question.
Second question. This will work with intraday as well. For example, if you need to do the scalping,
If you want to do intraday, I would advise you to change the time frame, not 1 hour chart. Use 5-minute chart.
Okay.
Yeah.
But the same, the formula or that will work for intraday as well.
Yeah, I think so. But normally I do not play intraday. Okay. I do have some other system for intraday.
Okay.
Okay. Maybe I can show you because since you people, because I'm planning to do that as a separate course. Okay. Yeah. Look here. Because you people have attended this, I am just showing you free. Okay. This line is a VWAP.
You're sharing, sir?
Oh, one second. I did share.
Okay.
Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is first thing is that this is a 5-minute candle. Okay. 5-minute candle. Then what happens? First, this line is a red line is a VWAP. Okay. Second one is ADX. I use 13.8 for ADX. Then there's one Elder Force Index. Then RSI. So 4 things: VWAP, ADX, Elder Force Index, and RSI. Okay. Now, first condition is that if I'm looking for a short, number 1 condition is that it should come below VWAP. So this candle, it has come below VWAP. That's number 1 condition. Number 2 condition is that this ADX should be moving on the higher side. You can see here, it was here. You can see it is actually moving on the higher side. Okay. But it's not so very clearly visible, but it is on the upward trajectory. You can see here. Okay. So this should be upward trajectory and it should be below 20. Okay. Then there must be a spike here. You can see there's a downward spike here. Okay. And then if you are looking at the short side, RSI should be on the downside. Okay. Now, if you look at this candle, so all the 4 matches, number 1, VWAP is broken. Number 2, it is on the upward trajectory. Number 3, downward spike. Number 4, RSI going down. So this is a place to short. And if anybody has shorted, from here you see it has already given 200-point fall. Here, here the Nifty is 37,770. It came all the way to 37,430. So it's nearly 300-point fall. In how many minutes? This is shown at 1:55, 2 p.m. From 2 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. So you see, if you have shorted here, like even if you keep somewhere here, the stop loss are here, that stop loss has never been hit. And it has straight away has given 300-point profit. Okay. So something like this, I have a separate system for intraday.
Okay, sir. Clear.
Yeah, that's why I don't use the super trend for intraday. But if you want to use the super trend for intraday, use a 5-minute candle.
1 minute, you said, right?
5 minutes. 5 minutes.
Okay.
One we are using is hourly candle, right? 1 hour candle for positional. Intraday, you may try 5-minute candle.
Okay, sir. So my next
question. But the system I am using is very, very powerful. But many times I don't even look at it. But if anyone want to look at it, that will give a very good profit intraday.
Okay, sir.
Right.
And I mean, since we are into option selling, you said we need to wait for 3 green arrows, right?
Yeah.
Can we average out for the first, second, and third, maybe 2 lots each? In case if there is a red.
No, that is not the system. The system is 3 green.
3 green. It's
yes.
That we need to wait for 3 green before we enter.
Yes. When all the 3 turn green, then only you enter.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Cool.
Right. Yes.
Last maybe.
Yeah.
Can we use this for buy also, sir, or it is?
You can use buy. See, just now I show you like any system. Okay. Mm-hmm. The system shows market is long or short.
Correct. Mm-hmm.
Like here, if somebody has bought a put option, at the money put option, the money would have doubled or tripled.
Right. Okay.
Right?
Understood.
But sometimes, if market reverses, stop loss is hit, then, buy option will give you a huge loss.
Loss. Okay.
So buying also you can use, selling also you can use, Yeah,
But
you can do that.
mandatory to go with the stop loss.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. SM Handrao.
So one question.
Sir,
Yeah. SM Handrao.
Hello, sir. Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
This is SM Hundrao. This is regarding, I'm using basically Zerodha platform, and charting tool is that trading view charts. But while finding the indicator for super trend V1.0 buy or sell signal, I'm not getting it there.
No, you are getting it. Who told you? Here, okay, look here. This is Zerodha only.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
This is Zerodha only. So you can see.
Super trend I am getting.
Yeah. Which one you are not getting?
Super trend V1.0 buy or sell signal, that arrows are shown in that.
No, they here it's automatically showing. No need to show anything. Trading view only you have to show that V.01 and all those things. Zerodha it comes automatically.
Zerodha it comes automatically.
Yeah. It's see here. I've shown you. There's nothing. You look here. I only put super trend 21.1, super trend 14.2, super trend 7.3. I didn't put anything else. And the arrow is coming
automatically coming.
Yes. Zerodha arrow comes automatically.
I think in setting, I think that arrows may have been removed. I will check it again. No problem.
You check it. I'm not very sure, but I've been using Zerodha only. Okay. And it has been showing since beginning. I didn't change any settings. I'm not good in changing the settings and those things.
Yes, sir.
But still, it has been working very well for me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Second one, this is not related with exactly this webinar, but in general, what happened today? I'm doing only long-term option in Nifty, most of the December expiry. And today, Nifty only down by 17 points. There is a big M2M reduction in the profit. Is happen everywhere because of increase in VIX or?
Yeah, today being VIX shot up 7%, right?
So drastic reduction in premium of the options.
Yeah, it can happen sometimes. See, markets are always irrational, right? Okay, but since you are holding long-term option, you just hold in, nothing to worry.
Okay, no problem. Thank you.
Yeah, like January 28, Nifty was at 17,100. Okay, now 15 trading session over.
Yes.
Right? Market go up 500, come down by 500, go up 600, come down to 700. But finally, after 15 days, it is up only 150 points.
Yes.
On January 3, for my workshop participants, I've given 18,000 short straddle Nifty in December expiry.
Yes.
It was given at 2,500 rupees. Now it is only 2,150.
Correct.
So 350 rupees point profit. That translates into more than 10% return in just 2 months,
Yes.
Yeah, sometime premium goes up, comes down, wax goes up. Who bothers? Because you have a 2,500 rupees premium, right?
Correct.
So just wait.
Okay, sir.
Right. Okay. Very good.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes. Jai Ganesh.
Sir, one for this super trend, maybe 3 or 4 calls. Can you form a group and then say that now I'm going long or now I'm going short, just as a confidence booster? I mean, only for 3-4 times. I mean, is it possible?
But I don't want to overpromise, Jai Ganesh, because I'm already struggling with so many things.
The risk is on us.
No, the risk that I can understand, but the thing is forming a Telegram channel, then giving the thing, you won't say you have to go. You will say I am going long, I am going short, which means you are not saying that Jai Ganesh should go long or short. Yeah, I mean, but again, I don't go long or short in future, right? I choose the option.
Not future, sir. I'm saying an option. I mean, super trend only I'm saying.
No, that is right, Jai Ganesh. But how I'm going to communicate to you?
a group is possible, sir? I mean,
so yeah. So then again, I have to form a group.
Just to get a confidence, nothing else. I mean, it's like a baby step I am taking. So
I'll check.
Maybe first 3 calls. No, after that, no. I mean, you can't be doing all this for every time.
Maybe I'll check with my office. Okay.
Just to start.
Whether they can form a Telegram channel. Okay. So in that case, they have to give a Telegram link to you through mail ID. So you have to join. Okay.
We can disband it afterwards, sir. So point is, it's like trying to put my leg in the water, and that fear is there. Will it hold? Will it not hold? When you are there, that confidence comes. We get in, and of course, the risk is ours.
I'll try. I'll find out from my office whether they can do it. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Anju Thomas.
Yes, sir. Hi, sir. Good evening. I wanted to check. I went through this course and then I found that yesterday Bank Nifty gave these 3 arrows. Is it right? And is that correct entry? Because I looked at these 3 arrows. I thought that I got the entry and I took it at 38,000. But now it has fallen and now one of the super trend has become red. So my question is whether that entry was correct and whether I should retain it. Now it is in loss. I should hold on to it or I should exit now.
See, as per system, you are supposed to be holding on. When the 3 red shows only, you have to exit.
Whatever be the loss.
Whatever be the loss. Okay.
Yeah.
But the past experience shows. Okay. The past experience shows, and like you see. 3 red, it has fallen so much.
Yeah.
Okay. 3 green, you can see here 3 green.
It has moved up.
Okay. Now it has moved up, but the thing is, immediately it has turned red. Okay. But your stop loss was not very big. But probably here the stop loss was very big because you will realize only after this candle, right?
Yeah.
So this time the stop loss was very big. But most of the time, here you see 3 red line, right?
Yeah.
You would have gone short here, but again it has turned long here. So your stop loss is almost at the entry level, correct?
Yeah, correct.
Okay. So most of the time, when the system fails, your stop loss will be at the end. Here you see, here short. Okay, here long, but still in profit only. Okay, here you see, here it is long, 1, 2, 3. But immediately short.
Yeah.
But the stop loss was not very big.
Yeah.
But if you see, look here, 3 green if you have gone long here.
Yeah.
Look at the fantastic rally.
Yeah.
Right? From here, this is about 35,700 to all the way to 39,000. Almost 4,500 point rally. But here it has given short, again here long. See the stop loss not big.
Not big.
So the best idea here is that, when the stop loss comes, it's really not very big.
Yeah.
But when the target comes, the target is really fantastic.
Yeah.
But however, it is so unfortunate that, yesterday, you are like the 3 long, you have taken long position. This Russia-Ukraine problem and this and that,
Yeah.
Sometimes, I can tell you, Anju.
Yeah.
When this will give the best possible return.
Okay.
Okay. 3 green line must come with a 3 consecutive candle.
Yeah, there was a miss here. 1.
And all the 3 green candles should be a smaller size candle.
Okay.
If that happens, the result is fantastic. Okay. So now what happens, the candles are always very big nowadays because of this Russia and other things. So that's why I always suggest you don't go long or short in future. Sometimes your MTM loss can kill you.
Yeah, I took it only in the, I took CE only. I bought 138K CE and I sold 138K put.
Oh, that is actually long only.
Long in future. Yeah.
That's long only.
Okay.
Synthetic feature.
So what? Okay, don't go like that. Then what is the other alternative? Maybe I didn't understand.
So you can do many things. Number one, 1,000 point away, you can go and sell one put option.
Okay, 1,000.
Okay, that is one choice. And another choice is that, okay, you are bullish, correct? When 3 green candle comes, it is your duty to become bullish, right?
Yeah.
So what you did, you bought a call option, right?
Yeah.
38,000 call option, right?
Yes.
After buying a 38,000 call option, you could have sold double the quantity, 39,000 call option.
Okay.
Now what happened? Market has reversed.
Yeah.
Okay. Assume that if you have done like that, I'm going to show you. Assume that you have done like that.
Yeah.
So what would have happened? Let us say you have done it in the end of thing.
Yeah.
February end. So the 38, sorry, we have to go to the Bank Nifty. Go to Bank Nifty, 24th February. And you would have lost 224 rupees today because you have buy option here.
Yes.
You would have lost 224.
Yeah.
But 39,000 call option.
You know, only 80.
You sold double the quantity, right?
Yeah.
So you would have gained about 180 rupees. Okay. So still, you know, like your loss would have been, you know, like
lesser
224 loss and 180 profit. So that means, you know, you would have lost about only 40-50 rupees. But now what happened to you? You have lost 220 rupees here and you lost 260 rupees here.
Yes.
So you lost total 500 rupees.
Yes.
Okay. So what happens, you know, you buy a call option, then 1,000 point away, you can sell double the call option. And the best thing is that, you know, you always choose the next month. Okay. Suppose you have chosen the 24th, always choose the next month. So 38,000 call option, you lost 320 rupees. Okay. And of course, this is, I think the illiquidity problem is there. I think there's a illiquidity problem. Okay. So this is called call ratio.
Okay.
So one can play with call ratio. Okay. But again, if the market is really trending, okay, anyway, we have only one more week, right? When 38,000 comes, you know, that 38,000 call option you have to buy, sell 40,000 call option, double the quantity.
Okay.
That way you can manage. But I think those things are going to be very difficult for you, Anju, if you have not attended my workshop. So
no, I have attended your workshop, but I'm not that.
You remember the call ratio and martingale?
Martingale, I remember. Yeah.
Yeah. So that is the idea. Otherwise, the simple thing is that, you know, whenever market is bullish, you go and sell put option 500,000 point away. Whenever market is bearish, you sell 500,000 point away call option. So play with option selling rather than option buying.
Okay.
Okay. Right.
And we do it only on the monthly expiry always, right?
Yes, always monthly expiry. Because this is a positional trade, always better to do it monthly. But if it is coming very near to the expiry, better to do it in the next month.
Next month.
I think I'll tell you one thing. I think I made a mistake, I think here. 1 second. I think here I've chosen 24th March. That's why it's showing wrong. Actually, the expiry is 31st March. That's why I was looking, how come there's no, right? So what you could have done yesterday, you could have bought 38,000 call option.
Yeah.
Okay. And sold double the quantity, even 40,000 call option.
Okay.
Okay. 38,000 buy, 40,000 sell. That means 2,000 point, right?
Yeah.
So even if the market goes higher, up to 2,000 point you can capture, right?
Yes.
2,000 point capturing is more than enough, right? If you have done like this, you see 38,000 call option buy, you lost 200 rupees and you have gained about 180 rupees. You lost only 30-40 rupees.
Yeah.
So you have seen a technical. Now the technical has gone wrong. Okay. Yeah. Market fall nearly 500 point Bank Nifty. It's a very drastic fall today. But despite that, you lose only 30-40 rupees.
Okay.
Correct or not?
Correct.
Okay. So one way, there are so many ways. One, naked buying. what you have done is actually naked buying.
Yeah.
But instead of buying in future, you have gone for a synthetic future.
Yeah.
That's naked buying is always very, very dangerous because sometimes stop loss can be very high.
Okay.
Okay. That is one way. Second way is using the put option, call option. And the third way, using the ratio spread.
Okay. So in this, instead of buying the call option, I could have sold the put option, 500 points away.
Yeah, 500,000 point away, like that.
Okay.
Okay, right. Sometimes, if there are choppy things, that's why I explained, right? If tomorrow is budget, you can do it, nothing wrong. Budget is also uncertainty, but you can do it. Any uncertainty, by tomorrow, it's going to become certainty. Say, for example, okay, March 10th is the counting of votes for state elections. On March 9th, it is uncertainty. Correct?
Yeah.
But March 10th, it becomes certainty. Either BJP wins or loses. The outcome will be known, very clear. But Russia-Ukraine problem is not something like that. Correct or not? So, Russia, that's why just now I explained, right? So Russia can say something, then US can deny something, Russia again can say something, So, sometime, the choppy period, these technicals may fail.
Okay.
So in that case, you must be able to, if you are doing a naked future or synthetic future, sometime, the loss can be very high. Okay. But even otherwise, suppose you feel that, no, sir, I'm ready to take risk. I want to play in future only. Okay. What you can do, once you go long in future, you can go and sell one call option, right?
Okay.
So when your view goes wrong, it can give some buffer. Okay. Covered call. So you can go naked future long and you can play through options. You can play through ratio spreads and you can play through the covered call. So there are various options are left. But going what you have done is a naked long. That is always dangerous. The risk is very, very high. Okay, good.
And one more question is, if it starts trending, this instead of 38K, if it moves to 38.5, so we keep shifting it. We book the profit, and should I book the profit and move it to 38.5, or should I retain it at 38K itself?
No. What you are talking about? The synthetic long you have taken?
Yes, future buy I have taken.
Future buy you have taken. Future buy you have taken. Then you go to 38,500. What's going to do? You book the profit. Then what are you going to do? Again, you are going to go long only, right?
Yes, in long only.
So that is long only. Why you want to exit? Why you want to re-enter?
Okay.
See, whether you buy 38, sell 38 put option, or you buy 38.5 call, 38.5 put option, 39,000 call, buy 39,000 put option, whatever you do, it's exactly the same meaning. No change in the meaning. The meaning is that you are long in future.
Okay. As long as my view is long in future, whatever trade I have taken, be with it until the market revises.
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
Okay. Just one more question is on the stock option. The same thing. I did not take the trade. I was just observing that in Tata Motors, it's similar. 2-3 arrows came. I just So in that case, should I take? Is it that which one? Which PEC should I buy? Like it was at 490 when in Tata Motors the signal came. So at that time, should we look at the target it will reach and accordingly take the CE and PE, or how we should do?
Okay, let us look at Tata Motors. Okay, Tata Motors C, here it has shown long.
Yeah.
Okay, but you could have gone long somewhere here only.
Yes, next to.
But it has not given any big profit as of now. Okay.
No, I put it in actually in Sensible and I was checking. This morning it was in profit of 25K. If I had gone there, suddenly a profit of 25K, this spike was there in this candle, at that time.
Yes, correct. Okay.
But I took 500C and 500P was it right? Or should
Yeah, that is right. See, you are look here. It has shown short somewhere here, and see the vertical fall.
Yeah.
Okay. So what you have what you have done, you bought 500 CE, sold 500 PE, correct?
Yeah. Yeah.
That means you are long in future only.
Long in future. Yes, the same logic I applied.
Yeah, for some time, for at least for some time, okay, until you become confident about this technical, as and when there is a good profit like 20,000, 25,000, I think I would suggest you to book the profit, So at some point of time, you have 5 lakh, 10 lakh profit. Then after that, you can just follow the system. Like sometime, you book the profit, who knows, it can give even bigger profit.
Yeah, yeah.
Right, but the thing is maybe now it is not the right time, because of this US Russia thing. Okay, other than that, you see, it has whenever the trend is shown, you look here, it has shown short here with 500 rupees, and it went all the way to this low is 467. Like sometime you can see that green line here. 3 green line, you could have gone long somewhere here only, but see the vertical rally. After that, the 3 red came here only. So from here, from 495 to 520. So this sometime, but you make sure that, my simple advice is that, you may avoid certain areas. Where, things like Russia, Ukraine problem, for that period of uncertainty, better don't trade. But normal market conditions, you trade, you will get very good profit. Okay?
Yeah, thank you.
Right. Piyush Sethi.
Sir, my doubt is, sir, about the same position, sir. Like when the third candle arrow, the high is broken, then only in the next candle do we take the trade, sir, or we take the trade, whatever. Like I'll give you the example, sir. On 16, the market with the third candle, same Bank Nifty, closed at 38,186. I'm presently seeing on the laptop. And so, do I have to wait next day when I have to take the trade for 38,186 to break to take the trade, or I just, as you are explaining again and again, I can take the trade in the next candle at any time. Like that candle, I just tell you, sir. The low.
Piyush.
So low was 47,970 and high of that candle was 38,420. Yes.
Yeah. Piyush, you wait for 3 green lines to show clearly. Okay. The next candle, you can just wait for a dip also. Nothing wrong, because this is a positional trade. It doesn't go straight away. It gives some kind of a dip.
But what is the right, as I said, sir, the market closed on 16th at 38, some 186.
Okay.
And next day, as soon as 9:15, I was waiting. I'll tell you, sir, because that day only I was lucky. I saw the session. You told in the pre-market also, post-market.
Right.
So I was waiting. So I just took the position. Although after that it was quite some time, it was down. But we can take the position at any time in that next.
Anytime, yes, correct. Anytime in the next candle you can take.
Anytime. It's not that in that 1 hour you can take it anytime. You can just wait for a dip if you get. Otherwise you can.
Otherwise you can buy. Yes, correct.
Okay. Thank you.
So one doubt, sir, Aditya this side.
Yes, Aditya.
Sir, the same super trend can be applied on the chart rather than the Heiken Ashi candle on a normal candle?
I do not know, Aditya. That's why I told you. This one has been taught to me by one of my friends.
Okay.
Okay, whatever he taught me, I'm just teaching you. Okay. Now, let me tell you, like another guy taught me something. Okay. And believe me, every day I'm trading and every day I'm getting profit for the last 1 month.
Okay.
And last 1 month markets were too volatile, right?
Yes.
But despite that, every day I'm trading, every day I'm getting profit. Even I'm surprised.
Okay.
Like sometimes the system works like that. Okay. Then you ask me, why this one, why that one, no answer. Right? So there's a system, and Ikanashi candle, you may search in Google why people use Ikanashi candle. Ikanashi candle, takes away the false breakouts, false breakdowns.
Okay.
Because, it takes the noises out. That's because it is derived using the averages.
Okay, sir.
So that's why the people say for a long like positional trade, you must use the Ikanashi candle than the normal candle.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Vijay Raj.
Yeah.
Hi, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
I'm not sure my video is on.
Your video is also on. I can hear you also.
Okay, great, sir. This is the second time I'm meeting you. The first time I met you in your office.
Oh, good.
It's really nice. I have some questions. First is you have those 3 lines. Okay. Now, as you acknowledge, most of them are lagging. And between these 3 lines, one is leading, the second one would be relatively less leading, the third one would be obviously lagging in comparison. Now, when you see the first line, have you tried it, or can we try going, giving very less exposure and going long? And as and when you see the third, line, you can increase the exposure to your full or normal exposure with which you trade. Can we take a position like that?
Yeah, in fact, the same question only asked by somebody just now. Okay. But as per the trend following system, you are not supposed to do that.
Okay.
In the trend following is a system, where it shows long signal, then only you have to take long. The rule is that 3 green only long. 1 green is not long.
Okay.
Okay. Right.
The second one is what % of your capital are you really comfortable deploying on this particular strategy, sir?
This is a high risk one. Okay. Exactly. I will suggest you not to deploy more than 20-25% of your capital.
Okay. Now, after we see those 3 lines, the red could appear much lower. Your stop loss could appear much lower. And based on your other sense and how the market is behaving and the present circumstances or the global clues or whatever you consider. Now, what do you think is the right hedge? Shorting a call or buying a put?
You can do both.
Okay. Short a call and buy a put, both.
Yeah, see, I'm not very clear about your question. Okay.
My question is, sir,
you're talking what is the hedge? But what is your position first? You tell me. Then I will talk about the hedge.
All right. Let us say I have shorted 38p on Bank Nifty.
Okay, 38,000 PE you shorted. Okay, and then now you are worried that your system may fail.
Yeah, if it is going in my favor, well and good. I won't do anything. Okay, let's say
if it is going wrong, that's what we discussed, right? You can go and sell one far out of the money call options.
Yeah, I know, sir. I know that very well.
And then you can go and buy a put option also.
Both.
Because 38,000 put option you sell, go and buy 37,000 put option.
Okay.
Plus, you can go and sell one call option also. So, you can do both.
Okay.
Right.
Right. Because if my trade is going right, both of them will bleed. I would like only one of them to bleed. Basically, I don't want to give away too much of my profit.
Yeah, that is the trade-off you are making. Like, if you want to capture the full profit, okay, then
so I want to do only one of the two, either buy put, which will prevent a lot of loss if in case it goes terribly wrong.
But if you ask me, I will suggest you to sell call, not to buy the put, because even if you buy the put, okay, you still have a maximum loss of 1,000 rupees.
Right.
Correct or not? So beyond 1,000 rupees loss only, it is going to compensate you. When a system technically showing long, okay, so much of bearishness happening, the possibility is very, very low.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct?
All right. Right.
Yeah. So therefore, it makes sense to sell call option as a hedge. And then in case, if our system fails, market keeps coming down, okay, you can always roll down the call option also.
Yeah, I'm aware of that, sir.
Yeah.
Those adjustments I'm aware of.
Yeah.
It's just that I was wondering if, because this, the red signal sometimes might come much lower And if then it turns red,
No, but you do the back testing. Okay, that's why just now I showed you the back testing. Okay, most of the time the red will not come much lower.
Okay.
Okay, that is the beauty of this system actually.
I haven't
Most of the time, very rarely only the red comes very low. Other than that, normally it doesn't come. Okay.
I know, sir, that I can do this, but have you tried 30 minutes or anything like that on this?
No, I am not tried.
Okay, sir, two more questions not related to this strategy. What do you prefer, sir, in times like this, high VIX, selling December straddles of 18,000 or selling deep in the money, out of the money put options in March?
I would prefer December.
Okay.
Because March also, it can give higher, but of course, far out of the money, you can sell nothing wrong.
Like 15,000 or 15,500, 16,000.
Yeah.
Those things
kind of
compared to 18,000 straddle.
Yeah, you can do both, right? Nothing wrong. You can put the 18,000 short straddle in December, some March 15,000 and 19,000, something like far out of the money.
Okay, because whenever it started bullish, the profit we get from 18,000 put option is almost nullified by the call option in the short.
Yeah, long-term options are basically it's a slow earner. Okay, if you are talking like this, okay, tell me. Maybe if you want me to show, I can show you on a live basis. And index options, Nifty 50, 2022, December, call option, 18,000 call option. And for last 90 days I put. Okay, you tell me you choose any one date in the last 3 months. Tell me any one date, any date.
Okay, let's take 1st of Jan.
1st of Jan. Okay, 1st of Jan is a holiday, so it's a 3rd of Jan. So what is the closing price? 1,300. Now closing price? 1,000 rupees. So how much is the profit?
100 rupees a month. Fantastic.
No. On Jan 3, 1,300. 1,300. On Jan 3 is 1,300. Now it is 1,000. So 300 rupees is the profit in the call option.
Yeah.
Now look at the put option. And Jan 3 is 1,190. Now 1,140.
Yeah.
Also profit, right?
Yes.
How much profit? 50 rupees profit.
Right.
Okay. So 300 rupees there, 50 rupees here. So you have 350 rupees profit. Okay. Now look here. Nifty, December, 18,000, call option, sell one lot. And Nifty, December, 18,000, put option, sell one lot. So what is the margin money?
1,27,000.
Nifty December 18,000 call, Nifty December 18,000 put.
Yeah.
Last time I checked, it was showing more margin. Now it is showing less margin. Are we correct?
Because you said after 3 months the margin will reduce.
So now the margin money is 1,27,000. Okay, let us take it 1,30,000. Okay, now there's a profit of 350 rupees into 50. There's a profit of 17,500. The margin is 27. Let us say 1,50,000, let us say margin. Margin is 1,50,000. And that has given 11.6% return.
Yeah.
In how many days?
2 months.
Yeah. 2 months is not over. You've got 12% return. That means you got 6% return per month.
Yeah. In fact, I do have this position already. I've taken about a month ago.
Yeah. Then why you're worried, when the market comes
No,
down?
sir. I'm not worried. I'm only drawing a comparison between in high VIX environment, selling next month far out of the money put option is more benefit or 18,000 is more. I know both of them are equally good.
Vijay, there are, where this is stock market, this is all about uncertainty, which is more beneficial, we cannot say. Okay, right. Higher VIX, okay, but the higher VIX can even go even higher. Higher VIX can go lower. So if higher VIX go lower, that will benefit your short-term options very much. Right. So in my workshop also, I told you why we have to look at which is better, which is better. Here you have a system, where you make 5-6%, be happy. Why you want to do better, then you say 7% better, then 10% better, then 15% better. Then, there is no end to it.
Of course, agree.
The December option, I'm a very big fan of December options.
Yeah, in fact, I learned it only from you. I never knew that.
And then, the profits may come very, very slowly. Okay, let it come. What does it matter? You just want to make only, 30% return per annum. Okay. And there are, assuming that 250 trading session, 250 trading session, you want 30%. That means one trading session is how much?
You're with 30.
Yeah, it's okay. But the thing is, you will not be worried so much about the volatility, Russian, problem came, Nifty fell 500 point, next day 50, Nifty shot up 500 point. You are not worried, right? Because, your lower break even is 15,500, right?
Right.
Yeah. Correct or not?
Correct.
Yeah. So, in fact, like if you have done 2 lots, okay, 350 rupees per lot, 350 rupees per lot is 17,500 rupees profit. 2 lots is 35,000, right?
Right. Yeah, of course.
Right. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, good.
So one question.
Yes.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yes, Piyush Sethi, I can take question from you now, but I would advise those who have already asked question, don't keep on asking questions. Give chance to other people.
Yes, sir, I asked a very short question. Others have asked 3 questions. So just came to mind.
You can go ahead. Go ahead.
Yes.
No problem.
Sir, I also took just 2 questions, small questions. Sir, I also made 18,000 straddle in December. Once you advised in your QA session of the workshop people, sir, which you had last Saturdays. So I also second that, sir, that if I am in profit in that, sir. But what I want to ask is, sir, like I have taken 1 lot now. So now ideal scenario to add 1 more lot will be like sometime if you have got margin 1 day before the election result or something, when you feel that volatility may be high, sir, whenever and also, sir, I have one position, as you said, in 15,500 and 18,500 of March. So that also due to volatility may, before 10th March should we square it off or so both the things I just wanted to ask you, sir. What is the best course? Like if I have to firstly add in December straddle, so when should I add?
One thing is that, as and when VIX is higher, you can keep on adding. Like today also VIX was up 7%. Today you could have added.
Okay, sir. Sir, higher means how much, sir? Like 20, 22, sir? Or what should be the limit? I mean, generally, like because it is going very high.
Anything more than 16, 17 is always high. Okay. So anything below 15 only low.
Okay. So what you are saying is depending upon the margin. Yes, sir.
Yeah, depending upon the margin, as and when, the day you are doing, if the VIX is higher, you will benefit.
Okay, sir.
And today, VIX was higher by 7%.
Okay, I missed out. But otherwise, sir, a normal course, let's say, is even much higher. And last time, as you said, before the budget, before some event, if you add, even you can get more if you are adding, because you have the basic, you have only, let's say I have margin only for 2 lots. So I have 1 lot now, 1 more lot only I want to add. So what will be the best time? Like any time above 15 or like better?
Any time above 15 actually. Anytime above 15, see, see, when there is uncertainty, you have to do. Now, Russian-Ukraine problem is an uncertainty, right? So you can do it now.
Okay, and regarding the March straddle, sir, like 31st March, now there are so many events in March, like we had also said, I think Fed will be there, elections and all these things. So
yes, you can.
So I've got the strangle there in 15,500 and 18,500.
Okay.
I have, sir, but it should be.
Yeah, it's going to be like difficult for me to comment. No, it's going to be difficult for me to comment now. Okay, going into the March, there are so many things may happen. So that time you decide whether you want to get out or you want to continue.
Actually, I'm part of your advising group also. So, okay, that's fine, sir. So I was just thinking that, because to compare both March and December is like, but if you have margin, you should divide in both. That is what you will advise.
Correct.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, good.
Sir, I had a question.
One by one. GK Reddy.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Sir, I'm daily following your pre-market and post-market.
Okay.
Actually, recently I came here. I'm a government officer. Actually, I took this course, and initially when I saw your video, you told that this is strictly not for intraday.
Yeah, correct.
I was a bit disappointed, and I was very happy that you shown some strategy for intraday, some technical analysis.
Yeah.
For shorting. Sir, could you please show that again and tell me for long also, that intraday analysis?
Yeah, I can show you. You can see here.
Right, sir.
Okay. First thing is that VWAP is crossed.
Right, sir.
Okay. There's a spike here.
Right.
And RSI is on the higher.
Correct, sir.
And this one is below 20. It should be below 20. Below 20, this ADX.
Okay, sir. Okay.
ADX should be below 20. It should be trending upward. But it was not trending. It was only sideways only.
Right, sir. Right.
But once long has gone, you can see how it has gone. This is a 5-minute candle.
Right, sir. Right.
So like somewhere here, you could have taken long position. Here you can see the spike very clearly.
Correct.
So the spike, it has happened at where 36,900. 36,900, it went all the way to 37,300. So about 300 point. This all in a matter of 30 minutes.
Correct, sir. Correct.
This has happened at 11 o'clock.
Right, sir. Right.
11 o'clock, it has happened, by 2:15. By 1 o'clock, it's already 400 point higher.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So what kind of candle you must use?
Normal candle only.
Okay. Sir, what must be the values for VMAP? Like for Elder Force, it is 13 and RSI 14. What must be the value for VMAP?
VWAP, there is no value, right? VWAP is the default one.
Okay.
VWAP, there is no, you can see N only. VWAP, you don't do any numbers.
Thanks.
Okay. Yes.
Sir, what is the exit criteria for this?
Prem?
Yeah, what is the exit criteria for this? You told the entry, right?
Exit criteria, once you enter, you keep a stop loss, and then like if it goes higher, you just book the profit. There is, for intraday, there is no exit criteria. As and when spike up, you just book some profit.
Okay.
Sometimes it can spike up and then it can fall, right?
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Arjit Chatterjee.
Yes, sir, one question.
Wait, let Arjit Chatterjee go. Arjit?
Yeah, hi, sir. So First of all, thanks for the complimentary that session what you have shared. So what I understood for the downtrend, ADX should be below 20. It's moving towards below 20. That is the first question. And then Elder should be downslope and RSI should be also downslope. And for the uptrend also, what I understood, you told that ADX should be below 20. There I'm getting it.
No, ADX stands for average directional index. Okay. So that shows, okay, in which direction the market moving, the same direction market will. See, if the ADX is going higher, if the market is down, it will continue to go down. If the market is up, it will continue to move up. So ADX should be below 20 in both the cases. Okay. Whether you're giving a long signal or short signal. Okay. It should be on the trending upward.
Okay.
Okay.
And for the downslope also, it would be trending upward or?
Yes, yes. See, like what, it is trending upward means, okay, no matter what is the direction, in that direction, market will continue to move.
Now understand.
That is the meaning.
Okay.
Elder force only going up means is long, going down means is short.
Okay. And RSI also going up.
RSI, RSI is, it's opposite. If it's going up, market buying momentum is good. Going down, selling momentum is good.
Understood.
Okay. Elder force index and RSI will work same way, but ADX is different.
Understood.
Yes.
So thanks, sir. That's it.
Yeah. Okay, right. Radheshyam, Gina.
Actually, our strategy, this super trend.
Radheshyam, we cannot hear your voice.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Your voice is very, very feeble. Can you please put your mic closer to your mouth?
Hello.
Yes, we can hear you now.
Actually, sir, when we get the buy signal in our super trend strategy, we make a call spread ratio, but we build a call spread.
No, Radheshyam, your voice is going down. Okay, better you type your question here. Okay, now let me stop taking questions, and some people have written some questions here. I'll answer them. HP. Sir, you plotted 3 super trends, 21-1, 14-2, 7-3. You told that 3 lines should give buy, sell, sell signal, but on the graph, first 14-2, then 21-1, and then last 13-3, 7-3 is giving whether buy or sell. Then what is the use of 3? Can we use only 7-3? I think that I've already answered. Most of the time this will be true, but sometime, when 7-3 can show green, but 14-2 and 7-1 may not show the green. Next one. Sir, if everyone is doing this system, whether this will still be useful, but how many people follow me, right? And how many people attend this workshop? How many people like it's very, very little compared to the number of people who are trading in stock market. So nothing to worry. Can we do a bullish back spread if we are going to going like sell 39K PE, sell and 37K buy, risk would be around 16 to 20K, one lot and vice versa. Yeah, you can do that. So once you think that, the market is bearish, you can do the put back spread. When you think that the market is bullish, you can do the call back spread. At least the risk will be limited. That's a good idea, in fact. Okay. Then what if all systems are working, but ADX is above 20? But ADX should be below 20 if you are doing the intraday system. So Krishna Kishore, unable to raise my hand. If you are not able to raise the hand, you just type the question. I will answer your question. Okay. Now I'll come back to Yogesh BG.
Sir, I have a question out of the workshop. Can I ask?
Yeah.
So it's about the PCR ratio. Should we look in the perspective of seller or option?
All the technical analysis is based on the option seller, not option buyer.
Because if there is actually I found it in a wrong way.
Pardon?
If there is more people of option sellers, then the PCR ratio will be less than 0.8.
Your voice is not very clear, Yogesh. See, PCR, okay, what is the standard PCR that you just apply? Okay, I think this is not the platform to discuss about PCR. Okay, sorry. Yeah, GK Reddy. GK Reddy is talking about some strategy which I'm not very sure. GK Reddy, I'm sorry. And Vijay. Sir, once you tweeted, if anyone makes profit consistently based on technical analysis, if I use this strategy and make profit, is your offer still open? Just kidding. Love, respect always. Okay, just for fun. Okay, fine. Yeah. Okay.
Sir, will this recording be uploaded, sir?
Aditya?
Will this recording be uploaded, sir?
Yes, yes. This recording will be uploaded.
Because we have time only till 20 seconds. So before that, it will be uploaded and we can see it once again.
Yeah, yeah. You want to leave now, you can leave now. Okay. This recording will be posted in the same by tomorrow. Same course page.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
So this is the advice to everyone. Okay, you are tired, you want to leave, you can leave, nothing wrong. Okay, this conversation is being recorded. This recorded one will be posted in the same course page. You can watch tomorrow or day after tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, right. Fine. See you. Bye. Yes, Nibu.
Hello.
Nibu, your mic is off.
Hello. Hello,
Hi, sir. Good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
See, all the questions have been answered by you, sir, already. Everything has been asked already.
Okay, good. Right.
Sir, one thing, like, I'm not that much older to the market, actually. So, just one question only. If Bank Nifty is at 38,000, okay, and if I am bullish, if the system shows bullish, then what is the better thing to do? Like sell a put option at 37.
Sell put option, yes.
And if the scenario comes like the stop loss is the nearby, means if something
if stop loss hit only, so we can't do anything. That's a that's a trend following system. Trend following system, many times your stop loss will be hit. 3 times, 4 times your stop loss will be hit. But when the trend comes, you will make a good profit.
Okay, and to Miss Anju, you have told like the candle size means while entering, means if we are entering to the system, like 3 green candles, right? And is there any peculiarity like after showing the three lines, we can enter at the next moment itself, right?
Yes, correct.
There is no like time alteration or something like after 1 hour or nothing.
No.
That's it, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay.
So we should do always see it in the future, right?
Saravana?
We should see it in a future or a spot, sir.
You can see both. Super trend will show in both.
So,
but since you are going to trade in future, it's better to look at the future.
Okay. So can you add that super trend? I need to add here. I mean, I could not able to find. So could you able to show that in Zerodha platform?
Yeah, this is a Zerodha platform. This is a.
Can you add?
Oh, you want me to show how to add? Huh?
Yes, and what?
Okay. Now let us see. Okay, let us say this is HDFC. Okay, you click this. Okay, then okay. Since I have already added few things, I close that first. Everything. Okay. Okay. What you need to do, you go to studies, type super trend. You click. When you click, the line will appear automatically.
Yes.
You touch the line, you can see this is super trend 7.3. Default is super trend 7.3.
Yes.
But most of the technical analysis default is 10.2.
Okay.
Okay. Zerodha it's 7.3. Right click, edit settings. Change to 21.1.
21.1. Okay.
Yeah, done. So now now you can see it is 21.1.
Yes, sir.
Again, go and click super trend. Again, it will appear. Again, 7.3. Right click, edit setting, 14.2.
14.2. Okay.
Again, go to studies, super trend. Yeah. So now you have 7.3, 14.2, 21.1. Right? So this is again, you know, this time frame you have to choose hourly chart, and display you have to choose Fibonacci candle. So actually HDFC shown short here, and after showing short, market went down so much. Now today only it has shown long. So let us see what that's why today you see that even the entire market was down, but HDFC was strong, right?
Yes.
And I think the Reliance was also very strong today. Look at the Reliance. Probably Reliance also showed some long position today. Probably, I don't know. I have to check. Yeah. And see, Reliance has shown long here. Around 23.90. And then from there, you see, it's going all the way higher. So it's a nice uptrend, right?
Yes, yes, correct.
So sometime, you know, even any stock, look here. The 3 red line was shown here. So this is somewhere 2500. From 2500, you see all the way it came down to 2320, nearly 200 rupees.
Yes.
Yeah. This trend is sometimes it may fail also, because I am also depressed. Yesterday it showed long, and now it is market Bank Nifty is selling off like anything. You know, sometimes it can do, but most of the time it will show correct.
Thank you.
So when the drawdown comes, you know, you must be ready to take the drawdown.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Right? Yeah. Okay. Now the time is
good
almost
evening,
8
sir.
o'clock. Yes. Good evening.
Sir, I wanted to ask just a few questions because most of them you've answered already.
Yeah.
So I am also taking the 18,000 December strategy. And so now if I want to add, should I add 17,500 straddle or should I add one more lot of 18,000?
No, I think you have to add 18,000 only, because, you know, you remember I told you in the workshop, you have to consider the implied future.
Okay.
Right now, market is 17,300.
Right.
Okay, this is only February. February to December, there is 10 more months.
Right.
But 10 more months, you know, implied future will be around 17,800.
Okay.
Okay, you can take 18,000. Of course, if you're a little bit bearish, you can take 17,500 also, nothing wrong.
Okay. Got it.
One of my friends is bearish now. So he asked me which one to take. I say 18,000. He said, no, sir, you are saying 18,000. I will take 17,500. I say, why? He said, I'm bearish about the market. Yes, you can go ahead. Nothing wrong. But if you're looking at the money, it is 18,000.
Yes, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir. So one more question.
Yeah.
So I was just going through the backtesting sheet that sir has been shared. So, sir, though the stop losses are very small, sir, like you really said, when the market is uncertain, if you see from 26th Feb 2021 to March, Feb and March of 21 of backtesting, though the stop losses are small, but the stop losses are back to back and 7,400 points have been lost. So the drawdown of the capital, if it's per lot wise, so then I need to add another 90,000 to continue my per lot trading.
Yes, yes. That's a drawback in the trend following system. Sometimes the drawdown can be big.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So that I wanted to confirm. And yeah, so all other questions are answered. Thank you so
Okay,
much,
good.
sir. Thanks a lot. Yeah.
Sir, I just want to add one thing, sir, in this.
Yeah.
Just I want to add, sir. Like you said, no, implied future. And I can just see that even when the Nifty is running around 17,500, standard price, it is in sync of 18,000 only. It is price is around 1,100.
Yeah.
Percentage I have observed. So it is giving some picture that that is the middle point where we should be.
Correct. Agree. Yeah. Okay. I think now the time is almost 8 o'clock.
Sir,
Yeah,
one last
Radheshyam.
question, sir. Actually, sir, when we get the long signal, we initiate a trade of call ratio spread. Then after for 500 in Bank Nifty, after for 500 up move, then we get the short signal. Then we square up the call buy position and
Yeah,
we
of
leave with
course.
the sell. Then it will be good or risky?
Yes, you can do that. You can do that. Radheshyam, there is something wrong with your mic. Your voice keep going down. Okay.
Sir.
Yeah. SM and Rao.
Sir, this is a drawdown problem is again and again discussed here. So can we do one thing? If I'm doing trading in future, then I will have it 2 lots of future. First lot will be booked when the market moves by 1% or 1.5%, whatever. And then second lot will be traded as per the signal given by the super
Yes,
trade.
you can do. But the thing is, what happens if immediately market reverses?
So 2 lots will be in loss.
Yeah,
but it's hardly time, no. But most of the time we see the history that market goes, then come down and give the signal.
That's
in
a
that
good
case,
idea.
yes.
Yeah, good idea. Okay. So I can take one last question because time is 8 o'clock already.
Sir.
Last question goes to Arvind.
Sir.
Arvind
Hi,
Jo.
sir. Yeah, I'm from Trivandrum, Aravind.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, sir. Sir, as all are discussed about the selling, when I saw that video, I have much capital, I go for that buy options. After I applied that indicators, the 3 candles are shown green. So I brought 17,000 call option, 1,700, 17,200, 17,300. Right now, after that, right now showing one negative candle. Right now in a little place losses. Right now I have some fund that I have excess amount right now. Can you please tell me the exact cages? What can I do right now for this? I have 4 lots, 17, 1,700, 1,700, 1,300 C's.
As a buyer, you can't do anything. Seller can do all kinds of hedging. Buyer, you can't do anything. You have to just keep the stop loss. That's it.
Okay, sir. So, and once more, sir, as you discussed about the year-end expiry, that thing, right now I have some excess amount. Is it right time to sell both the C and P of 18,000 for
Yes. Long term, you can sell any time. You will not be having any problem.
It's better, it's 18,000 or 19,000. What's your suggestion, sir?
18,000.
18,000. But it's a very little, near bit, only 700 points. No, is it safe, sir?
No, see, you are not supposed to see 700, 800 points. Okay. If 700 point, 800 point, it goes up, you will be very happy. The straddle just now I show you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Market went to even 16,400.
Yeah, sir.
Market can
Long
go
range.
up and down, but 18,000 short straddle right now we are getting about 2,200 rupees premium. So up to 20,200 you are safe.
Okay. Thank
I don't think that market is going to go to 20,200 now, right?
Okay, yeah, sir.
It can go to 18,000, but not 20,000.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
Right. Okay, right. So thanks for attending. Okay. So hope all your questions have been clarified in the last 1.5 hours. Okay. Telegram channel, maybe I will just ask my office if possible. I will do that.
Okay, sir.
So if I do that, then like people, can come and discuss. Today Tata Motors showing long, today Bajaj Finance showing short. Yeah, you can do.
Bank Nifty, you do it, sir. That is
at the end of the day, this is the thing. But I would suggest you to stick to Nifty and Bank Nifty.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And just for an initial this one, not a lifelong hand holding, not it.
Right.
So that to avoid that kind of noise now, only admin can post. You can change the settings in Telegram. Only admin can post. That means now you will be posting only your ideas.
Yeah. That I'll check with my office because like sometimes it doesn't look nice. This is like it's a group. If I can learn something from you, then nothing wrong, right?
Yeah, that's also true. But since you said, what you said, Tata Motors tomorrow, HDFC, and everybody will share their ideas enthusiastically.
Right. Yeah. Let us see how, because this may not be a very big group. Okay, so we'll see how it goes. Let me check with my office. I'll do my best.
Thank you.
Okay.
Really appreciate it. Thank you.
Okay, right. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Bye.
Good night. Good night.
Daughter want to say hi to you.
Okay. See you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Yes, sir.
Good night, sir.
Good
1
night.
minute, sir.
Thank you.
You have a minute, sir.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Thank you. Good night. Okay, bye.
Yugandhar here, sir.
Yeah, you can there?
You have a minute, sir. My daughter want to say hi to you, sir.
Oh, okay, good. Hello. How are you?
Yes, sir.
Ah, very nice. So you also become a stock market trader like your father, right? Okay, nice. See you. Bye.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Bye.
I really appreciate your patience.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.